What should you expect when selling your home this summer? So you're thinking about selling your home this summer, but you're not sure what to expect. Maybe you heard it's still a good time to sell, or perhaps you're wondering why some homes are sitting on the market while others are selling quickly. Well, the truth is the market is shifting. Inventory is up and sales are cooling. Buyers have more options and they're taking their time. If you want to sell quickly and avoid price reductions, there are a few things you'll want to do before you list. Let me walk you through 3 simple but essential steps to help you stay ahead of the market this summer. Number 1. Fix the little things before you list. First things first, get ahead of buyer objections. Many buyers right now are being very particular of the home that they ultimately decide to buy. That means they don't want to take on repairs right after completion. So before you list, walk through your home and look for anything that might be a red flag for a buyer. Loose doorknobs, maybe repainting scuffed walls, repairing the leaky faucet in the bathroom. Those are all things you want to fix now. They may seem like minor issues, but together they shape how your home feels and whether buyers see it as a move-in ready home or a reno project. If those repairs are identified during the inspection, they could cost you more later or even kill a deal. Number 2, create a space buyers can picture themselves in. Next up is staging. And no, this doesn't mean hiring a designer or buying all new furniture. It means creating a clean, neutral space that buyers can imagine themselves living in. Start by decluttering, clear off counters, remove extra furniture, and box up anything personal like family photos or bold artwork. You want the space to feel open and calm, and simple touches like fresh towels in the bathroom or a bowl of lemons in the kitchen can really go a long way. This helps buyers focus on your home's best features instead of your personal style. And when they can see themselves living there, that's when the offers start coming in. Number 3, make a plan for showings. Here's something many sellers overlook. How your home feels during showings matter. If you have young kids or pets, keeping the house clean and distraction-free can be tricky. That's why it helps to plan ahead. Talk to your agent about the best times to show your home and set a schedule that works. If you can step out during showings and take the pets with you, buyers will feel more comfortable and spend more time exploring the home. It takes a little effort, but it goes a long way towards creating that lasting first impression. Selling a home in the summer of 2025 is absolutely doable, but it takes the right prep and a smart plan. Fix what needs fixing, stage your space to show it off, and make it easy for buyers to visit. If you want help figuring out where to start or what repairs to focus on, I'm happy to schedule a walkthrough at any time. Just reach out and let's put a plan together that helps your home sell quickly and for the most amount of money possible. Thanks so much for watching. Again, Jayson Sidhu with RE/MAX Performance, and we'll see you next time.